It's Friday, March 7th, just following up on Amazon. This is still the 1 minute chart I discussed on the first video. I bought here at the low blue line. I scaled out here very quickly to set up an Orish trade. I had a target up here to the second blue line on the 15-minute chart that it was going to broaden above this red bar, lower lows, and once I got up to the midpoint of that, kind of up to higher highs, we've hit that area. So I scaled out some more at 190. Well, I bought the stock at 194.82. I scaled out at 195.50, very conservative. I sold some more at that target, 196.20. And now it's up, in the 196.50 area. So I don't know what's going to happen for the rest of the day on this one, if we're going to continue with a very sharp rally. But at this point, I'll just lower my exit point for the rest of the trade to my entry point. So I'm kind of locking in a small gain at worst. And maybe if we get a push up, bar by bar here and have kind of just an orderly pause, we can start working up back towards the upper 190s, almost the 200 area. You just never know. We have a strong rally unfolding on the SPY, which I kind of was anticipating after two pushes down in the morning. I mean, I was anticipating something to hold, and we'll just see how strong this goes. We'll see how the day ends up. We'll have to do a recap at the end of the day. And Amazon, certainly one of the stocks that I think people in the long run are going to look for look at this as a very nice opportunity to buy this, seeing in the lower 190s, a stock that was just up at 250, a high quality stock in the long run. So that's why this one, and there's a few others, that I think could have a big move up if it wants to really just be a flush out here in the morning and something strong unfolds for the rest of the day. So we're going to find out. So anyway, just thought I'd follow up. It's just kind of a price action based trade that, you were looking for immediate follow through. You got it. I scaled out. Obviously, the tone is still down on the day, but, like I said, there's potential here for it to kind of move up back to kind of this breakout area where it tests, like I said, the high 190s, and there's not a lot of volatility here for some nice base hit trading. And who knows? Let's look bar after bar and see what happens here. Again, not surprised if it's just going to consolidate in this area. And if it just comes down pretty sharply to my entry point, I'll take a small gain. If it goes up a little bit more, maybe I'll exit and just, have a nice base hit gain on a couple of more bars. The next target here is this, like I said, it's up in the upper 190. So if it gets up there, I just might exit. I don't know. But anyway, it's just something I'm watching here, and just to see how the rest of the afternoon shakes out in the market overall. That had a pretty big drop in the morning. So let's see what happens with Amazon and the rest of the market here with, another half of a day remaining.